Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of MSPS Chronicles, where I, Mahi Agarwal of class ninth, the reporter of this week's edition of Campus Chronicles, will give you the insights of all the exciting happenings in the school. So, stay tuned as there is much more coming. Music is the universal language of mankind. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to the imagination, and life to everything. A classical music program was organized in the school campus by Spig Mackey on 27th April, where the main vocal artist Pandit Bolaram Mishra and his troupe reminded us that classical music is a soulful journey into India's living heritage. A classical music program was organized in the school campus by Spig Mackey on 27th April, where the main vocal artist Pandit Bholanath Mishra and his troupe reminded us that classical music is a soulful journey into India's living heritage. Through the magic of melody and rhythm, Pandit Bolaram Mishra bridged generations, letting the wisdom of our classical traditions inspire the dreams of tomorrow. The program ended on a very soulful note. Pandit Bholanath Mishra and his troupe was facilitated by respected manager sir.
श्री शिवम मिश्रा जी, डॉक्टर हितू मिश्रा जी, दीपक राणा जी, पूनम आहू, अनुश्रुति जी,
The program ended on a very auspicious note. Health is wealth, and at Madras India Public School, the health of the children is considered to be a priority. So, for the same, a vaccination camp is organized in the school campus on 28th April. Health is wealth, and at Madras India Public School, the health of the children is considered to be a priority. So, for the same, the vaccination camp was organized in the school premises on 28th April. The children came along with their parents to get the TD vaccination done. The smaller ones were a bit scared being vaccinated, but many came as Everyone is aware these days of the health problems. Laborers are the backbone of society. May Day or Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May every year. May Day celebration practice is in full swing in the school campus. It is celebrated to honor the staff. The May Day practice is in full swing. The students of class 8 are practicing really hard to perform a skit on Labor Day.
In the late 19th
Work
century,
is not a duty,
specifically,
it is
from
dignity,
the 1886
and every worker
labor union
deserves
movement
respect
in
and
the
fair
United
treatment.
States. This day serves as a
Laborers-
tribute to the immense sacrifice. And since
Work
then,
is not a
it
duty,
reflects the
it is
importance
dignity,
of workers'
and every
unity
worker
and
deserves
solidarity.
respect and fair treatment.
No work is
Laborers are the
insignificant
support
or
pillars of
labor
society,
that uplifts
performing the
humanity
essential
has dignity
work,
and
the builds
importance. This
that
powerful reminder today,
laborers are the
we
support
gather
pillars
to
of
honor the
society,
quiet dedication of
performing
those
the
who
essential physical
transform our
work
school
that builds
into
and
second
maintains our
home
world,
through
from
their
constructing
tireless
our
efforts.
homes to cultivating the
Behind
food we
every
eat.
corridor,
They work
manicured
tirelessly.
garden and safe
Work
commute
is not
is
a
an
duty,
individual
it is
working
dignity,
with pride
and every
and
worker
commitment.
deserves
Their
respect and fair
contribution
treatment. Work is not a duty, it is dignity, and every worker deserves praise and respect and fair treatment. A special assembly was organized in the school campus to celebrate Labor Day. It is celebrated by honoring schools supporting staff to express gratitude for their hard work. A small skit was presented by the students to highlight the importance of support staff in our life.
All around. Arranging your class after
no break. And imagine if there no one arrange your classes, no one carried your files, and no one helped you when you need it.
Now, our Honorable Principal Ma'am is felicitating the support staff by giving them presents they deserve for their hard work.
Good day, Didi. Manu.
Look at their happy faces when receiving the award for their hard work. Madaras India Public School, where creativity and learning comes alive. Inspiring classroom movements and innovative and exciting extracurricular activities by the talented students help build teamwork and develops the skills. Many students are participating in this competition, making excellent drawings. We are heading to witness the intra-class bookmark making activity where students of class 3rd and 5th are portraying their talent through their artistic and creative skills. The children participated enthusiastically and were very eager to show their skills. To create the spirit of innovation and exploration amongst children, various competitions are organized in the school campus. For classes 9th and 12th, inter-house paper flower bouquet making competition was conducted. Where students of these classes showed their creative skills and prepared beautiful bouquets. Such competitions help to develop a spirit of healthy competition among the students and also reflect the diverse interests of students. Mother, the most beautiful word on the lips of mankind. Mother Day is celebrated on 10th May and the preparation for the celebration is going on with full enthusiasm and zeal in the school campus. A mother's love is the ultimate comfort, a guiding light and a walking miracle. With this thought, the students at Madaras India Public School are preparing various dances to portray the importance of mothers in life. As we know, a mother is not a person to lean on, but a person to make learning unnecessary.